In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then hit gray switcher next to it to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Then decide if you wish to allow access to contacts and call history by operating this switcher. And when you're ready, tap on Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon right next to your device and hit Forget under device name. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!